Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving stop number 24 of because... Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you is the Mordecai. Urban Park. Stop number 22, Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, dia lewat sini. Oke, nanti kita sambung lagi. Ini entah lewat mana ini. Oke, jadi sekarang saya sudah sampai sini dan perlu kalian tahu tadi saya cut ya sebab jam di sini atau macet.
Now we're turning on the right. The Lake Garden, officially known as Botanical Garden. It is Kuala Lumpur's first large-scale recreational park, which was established in 1888. Originally created as part of the show from the planetary collections of tropical plants, the garden has been rehabilitated and turned into a botanical garden. The gardens have not only botanical collections, but also houses features that give the visitors the ambience of being in a tropical rainforest, despite being in the middle of bustling metropolis.
Ini balai polis.
On your left side here is the Bukit Aman, which houses the headquarters of Royal Police Malaysia. Within this garden there are a few attractions: Orchid Garden, Butterfly Park, and Kuala Lumpur Bird Park.
Ini polis Bukit Aman. Sini tempatnya. Bukit Aman ya. Oke, jadi ini adalah Balai Polis Negara Malaysia, Polis Bukit Aman ya. Oke. Polis Bukit Aman.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now heading stop number 22, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. On your left side here is the world's largest covered bird park. This is the showpiece of the renowned 16-hectare gardens. The 20.9-hectare park was opened in 1991. and it is the home to more than 3,000 birds from 200 species from Malaysia and all over the world. The Free Flower Canopy has over 60 species of local and foreign birds, including the Indian blue peacock, native colorful 5-foot wren, and the crown pigeon, the largest pigeon species in the world.
Saya belum pernah main-main ke sini. Besok kita pergi sini. Ini tempat hewan-hewan, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving stop number 22, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. Stop number 22, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park.
Ya, berhenti sejak sini. Taman. Apakah dia melewati ke Eltor? Taman kecil.
Gentlemen, we are now heading stop number 23, Malaysia National Mosque or Masjid Negara. National Mosque is the most distinguished mosque in Kuala Lumpur. It has a unique star-shaped dome and a 73-meter minaret which stands impressively against the skyline. It also has a capacity of 15,000 people at one time, with its beautifully landscaped grounds of pools and fountains. Visitors are required to wear decent a suitable attire to enter the mosque. Rooms are provided to visitors at the main entrance.
Masjid Negara kalau nggak salah. Masjid Negara kalau nggak salah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving stop number 23, Malaysia National Mosque or Masjid Negara. Stop number 23, Malaysia National Mosque.
Masjid Negara.
Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you is the Merdeka 118 Tower. Standing at 678.9 meters, this is the second tallest building in the world after Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai. Heading stop number 24, Merdeka Square or Dataran Merdeka. Merdeka Square itself is no landmark. It is further to the second building, the historical building with the first tower.
Merdeka.
Merdeka Square is the historical ceremonial event. The place will be National Textile Museum, Masjid Jamek, Old City Gallery, Kuala Lumpur Library, and River of Life. Also a world features the Central Market and Chinatown.
Nato. Museum Negara.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving stop number 24, Merdeka Square, Dataran Merdeka. Stop number 24, Merdeka Square.
dataran mereka kemana ini? Lengkap lah ya, benda-benda ya. Yang kalian mau tuju, kalian boleh. Dataran Merdeka. Ini kayaknya coket. Ini kita akan pergi ke Coket kalau nggak salah bro, ice cream. Sogo, sebelah saya ini Sogo, jadi dia lewat Coket. Selangor bos, nanti kita akan naik Selangor bos itu.
staircase and there's so many amazing things to go.
Oke, ini adalah kawasan Coket, bro. Ini Coket Malaysia. Jalan Haji Taib. Nah, ini Jalan Haji Taib. Selamat
Stop number 25, Chowking.
Coket. Oke, ini adalah Coket. Siapa yang tinggal di situ? Bagus bangunan Coketnya. Coket. Oh, dia lewat sini. Sunny Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Sunny.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now heading stop number 26, Sunway Putra Hotel. Sunway Putra Hotel is nestled in the heart of the Diamond Triangle, one of Kuala Lumpur's most electric districts, synonymous for its vibrant street scenes, with local ethnic cafes and bars, bustling markets, landmarks, and a melting pot of Asian cultures and traditions. The 650-room hotel forms part of an integrated development. It is directly linked to the multi-award-winning Sunway Putra Mall. Stop number 26, Sunway Putra Hotel.
Sunway Putra Hotel. Jalan-jalan.
Ladies and gentlemen, on your right side here is WTCKL, World Trade Center, Kuala Lumpur. It is Malaysia Historical Convention Center and the venue for local and international conventions, concerts, weddings, including small events like seminar, training, and meetings. Now we are heading stop number 1, Sungai Wang Plaza, and interchange stop to City Road or Red Line. Thank you.
kita akan balik ke Singapura Plaza. Cukup oh ya, dia beberapa 1 jam lebih dengan suasana setelah sampai Putra Sunway Hotel Mall tadi, kita langsung balik ke Sungai Wang Plaza, bro. Ya, cukup. Ini lane merah ya. Lain lagi kalau lane biru itu kalian kena pergi ke area mana dia pergi itu. Lain-lain jurusannya ya. Tapi kalau kalian mau lihat Istana Merdeka apa macam saya tadi, kalian boleh.
Stop number 1, Sungai Wang Plaza. Thank you for choosing KL Hop-on, Hop-off Extra Tour Bus Service. A soft reminder, please be alert and make sure to take all of your belongings with you and keep your ticket safely, as you need to show your ticket to get on the next bus. Till we meet again, stay safe and stay healthy. I need to change stop to City Roads, thank you.
Oke, jadi sekarang kita udah sampai balik di Sungai Wang. So cukup lelah ya, cukup jauh kita jalan. Buat kalian yang mau jalan-jalan, kalian boleh. Hai. Jauh bro, benar juga ya. Bila kalian mau menikmati suasana macam saya tadi tuh, kalian boleh naik bus yang warna merah ini. Tapi bila kalian mau naik warna lain, kalian boleh naik warna biru itu. Tapi sama aja sih, cuman beda laluan saja ya. Oke, jadi begitulah suasana perjalanan saya dari depan Sungai Wang sampai balik ke Sungai Wang. Buat kalian mau coba, kalian boleh coba ya. Dia jalan dari jam 9 pagi. Bos, thank you bos.
Kamu channel mana?
Saya Lombok.
Iya, apa channelnya?
Oh, hobi.
Hobi?
Nah, hobi
hobinya?
Hobi Saputra.
Apa hobinya?
Oh,
hobinya main komen.
Ini kat ini nanti sore boleh pakai lagi ya?
Bila beli itu?
Tadi, sekarang, hari ini.
Pukul berapa beli?
Tadi jam 9.
Sampai pukul 9 besok. Kalau dengan saya sampai pukul 8 aja.
Oh.
Nah. Terima kasih ya.
Oke, thank you bang. Jumpa lagi. Jadi apa-apa benda, saya akan akhiri video ini sampai di sini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita jumpa di video berikutnya. Bye bye.